got a GE microwave. It's about 3 years old, and it trips the circuit breaker right away when I go to use it. Before I go ahead and decide to change out the microwave, I need to verify that it is not in fact a weak circuit breaker. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, or what I've done, is normally the microwave plugs into an outlet back here. I've unplugged it from that outlet, and I've ran an extension cord down to this outlet here. And this outlet runs off of a different circuit breaker. So if it trips this circuit breaker, we'll know that it is in fact the microwave that is bad and not just a weak circuit breaker. So we'll go ahead and got a little cup of water here. Go ahead and hit add 30 seconds. And it tripped the breaker right away. So it is a bad microwave and not a weak circuit breaker. I think there are some parts that can be replaced in this microwave, but it's like a $166 microwave, so I might just go ahead and replace the microwave with another one that is the exact same model, so that way it just bolts right into these holes.